Okay, so here's the next question. Basically, problem of the day, there is minimum operation to make array values equals to k. So if you read the description, it is little bit confusing. So let us understand by the example. Okay, what the question is, what the question wants to say. If we taken the example, okay, this is the array and this is the k. So what is relationship with the k to this array? So let's understand. So basically, one thing that is we have to choose a number k, and basically h, okay, in this array. So what is h? So h should be smaller than nums of I. Okay. So what is the significance of this? Let's just understand. H should be smaller than nums of I, and one more thing, that we have to choose a h number so that h should be smaller than all the numbers that are identical. Here it is written. And one more thing, the number should be strictly greater. That is, here if you see, identical number is only 5. So 5 is repeated 3 times. Okay. So we can choose only smaller than 5. Okay. We can choose a number smaller than 5. Okay. That is simply 4, 3, 2, 1. That is, if I write smaller than 5 are what? That is simply 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All the numbers that is there is smaller than 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all the numbers smaller than 5. Then we have to choose it from these two, from these, because only 5 is identical 3 times. Okay, so simply we can choose a h from these 4. Okay, but one more thing, if we will choose 3, 2, 1. Okay, then if we choose let's just assume we choose 4. That's fine, because 4 is 4 we can choose. Okay, here 4 is the number. Okay, also, but if we choose 3, what will be the problem? If we choose 3, then the numbers greater than 3 are total, that is 4, the 5, 5, 5. So total number of numbers greater than 3 would be 4, 5, 5 and 5. And if we see, what we have to choose, we have to choose a h, that is basically and all numbers greater than h are identical. So these are not identical. Okay, so if we choose 4, then simply this 4 will be eliminated, and all the numbers that are strictly greater than 4 is identical. So you can only choose these, that is 4 as h. Okay, because if you choose any of these, then simply the answer would be not come. Okay, so we will choose h as 4 first. Then what we have to do, we have to make all these identical numbers, that is 5 to 4. That is, the next step would be to change this, like to change this array, that is at where the number is 5, we have to make 4, that is h that we have chosen. So simply, that is simply this. Okay, then what we have to do, so simply this will be the array that will be made after this operation. Then what we have to do, then we have to we have to choose another h with the same condition. Okay, main goal is to make all these numbers equals to k. Okay, if we can make equals to k, then simply we have to return the number of operations. So we have done till one operation. Then we will choose another number, that is simply we can choose 3. Okay, we can choose 3, that is simply will be equals to 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, that is simply then after next operation, these all numbers will be changed to 3. Okay, you can choose it, but we have to make minimum operation. Okay, so simply what we can do is we can choose directly 2. Okay, so we can choose directly 2. So next operation, h will be simply 2, and all the numbers that are 4 will be equals to 2, because we have to change it. Okay, so we will change it, and all the numbers that is equal to 2. And how many operations we needed, that is total number of operations are 2, that is first this and then this. Okay, in first we have chosen h as 4 and then 2. Okay, so simply the total number of operations are 2, so that's why output is 2. And one more thing we have got, that is if any number in nums of I is smaller than k, then we can simply make it. Okay, so if just assume if there was 1 here, then simply we can't make it equal to 1 because k is 2. Okay, so simply then we have to return -1 then here. Okay, so one more thing, if you basically see that is the number of unique, basically different numbers greater than k. That is here how many different numbers are there? There is 5 and 4. Only 2 numbers are there. Here 1, 2 is present, so simply that is equals to k. You have to make equals to k. That is the different number that is present. We have to change that only. Like first the different was 5, then simply we have changed the 5 to 4. Okay, and then we have changed to 4 to next 2. Okay, that is, if I just take the next example, you will understand it what I want to say. That is 9, 7, 5, and let's just say 3. Okay, and let's just assume the k is 1. Okay, so how many operations we will need to make this k that is equals to 1? So simply all the are the basically different, so simply we can choose 9. We can choose first h as 7. Simply we will make 9 to 7. Okay, 9 will be changed to 7. Then we will though 2 7s will be equal, then we can simply choose 5. Then we will make 7 to 5. Okay, then all 3 numbers will be 5, these 3. Okay, and then we can simply choose 3. Okay, then all the numbers should be equals to 3. Then we can simply choose 1. Okay, so you basically got it. How many operations we have to? Total number of 4. The number of different elements are the number of operations. So basically you got the main thing is that the number of different the kind of different numbers. Okay, like here the different numbers are total 4, and we have to change these different numbers to them. Okay, so simply the number of operations are 4 here. So here were 2 different numbers, that is 4 and 5 and 4. Why we are not counting 2? Because 2 is equals to the k. Okay, the different numbers other than k. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply take a set, HashSet, that simply contains the unique numbers. If I just take this same example, that is this okay, let's just take it. Okay, let's just take both examples, you will understand what we are going to do. We are going to take these numbers in the HashSet. Okay, so simply we will insert it. So first the 5 will come, we will simply insert here. Okay, the 5 will be inserted. Then 2 will come, 2 will be inserted. Okay, 5 will come again, so it will not inserted. Okay, because in HashSet the different numbers are only, duplicates are not inserted. Then 4 will come, then 5 will come. Okay, no sorry, 5 will not come. Just let's erase it. Okay, and one more thing, this is equals to k, so this will not also come, we will not insert it. Okay, so simply we will at last we will return the that's what we are saying, we will return the size of the set, that is the different numbers are 5 and 4, so simply we will return the size of the set, that is 2. So simply the number of operations are 2. So simply that's how we have to do. Okay, so here's the Leetcode, you can see. Okay, let's zoom it so you can see it much better. So this is the code. Simply we have taken the set and the loop. Okay, then if it nums of I is smaller than k, simply return the -1. And if it is greater than k, we will insert then. Okay, if it is not equal, then we don't have to insert. Okay, because we have to make h, we have to choose h that is greater than k. Okay, simply then we will return set dot size. You can run it. That's fine. Okay, it's running fine. Okay, submit it. Okay, it's taking so much time. I think there's some error. Okay, yeah, it's some. So we will submit it later. But you can see I have solved it. Yeah, this works. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's fine.